This is a drop-dead gorgeous 1929 Packard 633 Runabout, which is a roadster. This car is absolutely gorgeous. Beautifully restored. Pleasure to drive. Adonis. And anyway, all the little details. This is basically the way I love cars. So it's nice enough to take to Concours d'Elegance events, and yet not too nice to be able to enjoy on tours. You can see the finish work is excellent all the way through. Okay, let me show you underneath the car. Hopefully that gives you an indication as to the quality of the restoration. The engine compartment is beautiful and largely correct as well. Just minor details like the hose clamps, but for the most part it's very, very well done and correct. I absolutely love the colors. To me, what's very special about the colors is that it makes it very elegant. So the car is cold. I literally, it's a very cold morning today, and I literally only started it for just a minute, so to pull it out to take photos. So I'm going to start it. So it fires up very, very well. Excellent oil pressure. Custom auto service. Did some work to it. And I'm not sure, the temperature gauge may not be working, I'm not sure. But you can see it's charging fine, great oil pressure. And I haven't wound the clock up, so I don't know if that's working. The gas gauge is not working. That requires the fluid. So let's see if I can drive and hold the camera at the same time. Okay, so I'm down at the street. So this car was restored by Don Bloom out of Eugene, Oregon. And he did just a marvelous job. There's a large group of Packard restorers and experts. See the figures? Very pretty. Beautiful morning. Cold, but very nice. Anyway, luckily this has the little turning knob. I think they call it like suicide knobs or something. I don't know. Anyway, probably shouldn't be using it. Anyhow, the car feels really, really nice. Oh, a little squeakage in the brakes. I'm gonna do it in a second. It's still cold. But it's got good power. It's, these cars are all about low-end torque. They're not about revving really high. She's more about the little mode. Beautiful. So So this car mechanically is very, very nice. I'm looking forward to finding this pretty cool. You're really good with the action. Alright. You can tell I'm out of practice. Oh, shame on me. You guys didn't hear that little bit of grindage, did you? It wasn't bad, but